Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights on the latest gadgets and gear. Today, we're diving into the world of trailer accessories with a focus on one essential item: the CURT 25012 trailer coupler pin with 12-inch chain. Now, if you're in the market for the best hitch pin out there, you're in the right place. Let's start with the basics. What makes this hitch pin stand out from the rest? Well, it's all about versatility and reliability. With a 1/4 inch diameter and a length of 2 to 3/4 of an inch, this pin is designed to fit a wide variety of trailer couplers. But it doesn't stop there. You can also use it as a trailer jack pin, pintle hook pin, caster pin, and more. Now, let's talk security. When you're towing a trailer, you want peace of mind knowing that your coupler latch is engaged securely with the trailer ball. That's where this CURT coupler pin comes in. Made from solid steel and equipped with a spring retainer clip, it provides a reliable solution for keeping everything in place, even on the bumpiest of roads. And with the included 12-inch chain, you'll never have to worry about misplacing your pin. But what about ease of use? Well, this pin makes it a breeze. The square retainer clip is crafted from spring steel, giving it just the right amount of flexibility for smooth operation. Simply insert the safety pin into the coupler latch, and the square retainer clips onto the end of the pin, keeping it securely in place. Now, let's talk durability. We all know that trailer accessories need to withstand tough conditions, and this hitch pin is no exception. With its durable zinc-plated finish, it's built to resist rust and corrosion, ensuring years of hassle-free use, no matter where the road takes you. In summary, the CURT 25012 trailer coupler pin with 12-inch chain is the ultimate hitch pin for anyone who demands versatility, reliability, and durability. Whether you're hauling a trailer for work or for play, this pin has got you covered. So why settle for anything less? Upgrade to the best hitch pin on the market today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy towing!